Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Coco, and today we're going to move, breathe, and reset in just 10 minutes. Starting at the back of your mat, stand tall, toes grounded. Inhale, rise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold and crawl your hands towards the front of your mat into downward facing dog, hinging the hips up and pedaling your feet. Next, inhale, shift your body forward to plank. Exhale, release back to downward dog. Pedaling your feet. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale, hips up to downward dog again. Inhale, back to plank. Come to your tippy toes and then exhale, lower all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under to downward facing dog, pedaling the feet. Inhale, shift your body forward again to plank. Lower all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under again for downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up, bending the knee. We'll circle in one direction. And then lift, and then circle in the opposite direction about 3 to 5 times. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, shift the knee forward to the center. Inhale, lift back up. Exhale, shift the knee over to the right. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bring the knee to elbow. Inhale, lift back up. And then step forward. Rise the arms up to high crescent lunge. Release the hands down. Bring the palms to heart center. Inhale, slowly lift your right leg up behind you and pull the arms back to airplane pose. Just grounding in your left foot. Exhale, palms to heart center as you release the foot towards the front, bending the knee into stork pose. Bring the right foot to the inner left thigh, and then rise your arms up to tree as you balance, grounding into the left foot. Exhale, release the palms back to heart center. Bring the knee forward, then the foot over the left knee to figure 4. Hinge the hips back as you inhale and rise your arms up, palms facing each other, grounding your foot to balance. Inhale, slowly rise back up. Release your foot towards the front, and then slowly bring your foot back down behind you into high crescent lunge. Inhale, rise your arms up, bending at your front knee. Exhale, release all the way down, lifting your left leg up behind you as you inhale, and then bring the foot back down to downward facing dog. Exhale, release. Inhale, shift forward back to plank. Exhale, release all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under back to downward facing dog. And we'll switch to the other direction. Inhale, rise the right leg up. Bending at that knee, we'll take a couple of hip circles in one direction. Inhale, rise back up, and then we'll release and circle in the opposite direction. Inhale, rise the leg up, then shifting towards the center, bending at the knee, lifts back up in your inhale, then shift over to the left. Inhale, rise, then shift over to the right. Inhale, rise again, and then step the foot forward, rising up into high crescent lunge, bending at the front knee. Bring the palms to heart center, slowly lift the left leg up behind you this time to airplane, releasing the palms behind you, facing each other. And then slowly rise back up to stork, bending the knee towards the front. Exhale, release, bringing the foot to your inner thigh. Inhale, rise the arms up to tree. Exhale, release the palms back down to heart center. Release the foot back to stork and then step back into high crescent lunge, rising the arms up on your inhale. Slowly release both of the hands back down, pressing back. Inhale, lift your leg up behind you. Slowly release back down to downward facing dog. pedal the feet, and then step or hop both of the feet forward. Forward fold, inhale, halfway lift, exhale, forward fold, release. Inhale, rise all the way back up, palms to heart center, and then release. Inhale, rise the arms up again. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. And then we'll rise up to warrior two, stepping the left foot back, bending the right knee, gazing in front of you. Slowly scoot both of the feet towards the side of the mat to star. And then we'll take cactus arms, bending at the elbows, and then dip 3 times down, rising up 3 times. And then shift over to the opposite foot for warrior two, gazing forward. Then cartwheel the hands down, lift the left leg up behind you, and step down to downward facing dog. Shift forward to plank. Exhale, release all the way down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, curl the toes under to downward facing dog. I know we're moving a bit quick here. Hopefully getting good sweat in. Inhale, lift the left leg back behind you. Then step forward again to warrior two. Scoot both of the feet to star, facing the side of the mat. You can shift back and forth here before you bring yourself to cactus arms. 3 dips down. Inhale as you rise up. And then take your hands to your hips and slowly bending forward for a forward fold, wide-legged forward fold. You can take a toe lock here as you bring the crown of the head down. Slowly shift over to the right, bending the right knee, straightening the left leg. And then we'll shift over to the left, bending the left knee. Breathe. Deepen your forward fold towards the center again. And we'll slowly bring ourselves down to a yogi squat. You can scoot your legs closer together now, and then dip your pelvis all the way down if you can, bending both of the knees to yogi squat or malasana. Breathe here for a moment, and then we'll sit back into a seated position as we ground ourselves to close. Slowly lift both of your arms up, clasping your fingers together as you inhale. Deepen your stretch as you bend over to the left, then over to the right. Exhale, release both of the arms down as you twist over to the left, gazing behind you. Then twist over to the right. Inhale, rise your arms up again, and then slowly release, forward fold. Exhale, deepen into your stretch as you fold. Slowly rise back up, hands over your knees, palms facing up or down. Close your eyes. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, release through your mouth. Slowly ground and release any tension left in your body with deep inhales and exhales. Inhale, rise the arms back up again. Bend slightly backwards. Release the palms down. And relax as you open your eyes, palms to heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's quick flow. If you did, be sure to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.